Hey guys, today I'm going to install the Banks Monster Ram Air intake. I've got the kit here. There's the Monster Ram intake and all the parts. Now I'm not going to do an install of it because quite honestly the install that they give you right here on this QR code, if you want to scan that yourself, there's the link to the instructions. They do a very well step-by-step install that basically anybody could do. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it. Basically, if I come across any issues, I'll let you guys know. It should be straightforward. Hopefully everything works. We'll see you in a bit. Well, it's been about an hour. I've got the old intake horn off here. It is pretty small compared to the new one they send. I mean, you can... They show you plenty of times online, but pretty big difference. This one's like a 2-finger, this is a 4-finger wide. The hardest part was doing the fuel lines. Some of them were pretty tough. Used a 19mm wrench, but I had to put a bit of a cheater on it, break a few of them loose. I just finished vacuuming the crud out of the intakes here. Now we're ready to start reassembling. And I'll tell you, the reason why I bought this thing really is for this. On the bottom of your intake plate, there's this little grid heater bolt. And that's basically where the power attaches to on the outside. And then it just creates a dead short, heats up this element, which heats your air. And starts the truck, helps this truck start better when it's cold. This little nut can break off, and for a 3-cent nut, it's about a $10,000 worth of damage. So that's the main reason why I bought this kit, is to get rid of this grid heater bolt. I can't get rid of my grid heater altogether because I live in Ontario, Canada, and sometimes it gets super cold. The dogs are just going crazy here. Yeah, now we're back on to the installs. So if there's any other issues that come up when I'm putting this thing in, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'm going to go back to work. We'll talk to you in a bit. Well, it's been 3 or 4 hours and we finally got this thing done. Here's the relocate I was talking about the grid heater. It just goes through a nice coil in there, so you never have to worry about losing that nut down inside the engine. Here's how it looks. Nothing fancy, but hopefully it works pretty good. If I get increased fuel economy, I'll be happy. It is kind of expensive, but it's probably the 10th of the price of changing an engine or replacing it. If you are thinking of getting one, I definitely recommend checking out their site. Have a look at them. You can get them different prices at different places. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I'd like to hear what you think if you have one. If it's increased your power. I have lots of tuning, so I'm not really concerned about the power, but fuel economy, like I said, I'll take that. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so a little update on that Banks Power Ram Monster Air intake I installed. It's been a while now since I installed it, but I wanted to update you on a few things. Well, one thing I noticed for sure. As far as power-wise goes, I'm sure it's better. It hasn't gone down, so I still feel like there's a quicker throttle response, but the actual fuel economy that I gained about 2 liters per 100 kilometers. I'm not sure what that is in miles per gallon, but it's pretty significant for the old Dodge. It didn't really move much. It was always stuck in the 16, 17, 18 liters per 100 kilometer range. Now it's 13, 14, so super happy with that. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.